everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Solution Book. In this video, I will explain some question from Part A section of CSIR NET December 2019. I have already solved some of the questions. I will provide link of those videos in description box. Now let us start our first question in this video. A cyclist covered a certain distance at a certain speed if a jogger covers the half of the distance in double time as the cyclist. The ratio of speed of the jogger to that of cyclist is. We will start from our basic formula. Speed equals to distance upon time. Now, a cyclist covers a certain distance at constant speed. Let us speed S for the cyclic is distance upon time. If a jogger covers half of the distance, it means if Sj is the speed of jogger, then distance will be half. It means d by 2 in double time. It means 2t should be here for jogger. Okay, now we can solve it. D upon 4t. As we know, d upon t is the speed of cyclist. It means Sj equals to Sc upon 4. So we have to find ratio of speed of jogger. It means Sj upon Sc. So it will be 1 upon 4. This is our answer. Our next question is, given that k factorial equals to 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 up to k, which is the largest among the following numbers? These are the options. Okay, let us see the values one by one. Two factorial will be 2 itself, and power 1 by 2 means square root of 2. Then 3 factorial means 6. It means cube root of 6. Now next number is 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 24 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, and the option is 3 factorial. It means 3 multiply 2 upon 2, which is equal to 3. Now we will compare all these options. As we know that square root 2 is less than 3. Okay, this is less than 3. Even this is less than 2. Even this is less than 2. So 3 is larger number. This can't be correct option. Next, as we know that cube root of 8 is 2. It means 6 is less than 8. That implies cube root of 6 is always less than 2. Okay. And next, as we know that 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. Now 24 is less than 81. 24 is less than 81. It means this number, by comparing this with this, square 24 to the power 1 by 4 is always less than 3. So largest number is our D option. This is our answer. Next question is, which is the curve in the figure whose points satisfy the equation y equals to constant multiply e to the power x. And this is the figure given to us. As we know that y equals to constant multiply e to the power x is given. Okay, now let us compare the value from the graph and the equation. First of all, we will check at point x equals to 0. Y equals to constant multiply e to the power 0. Whenever 0 in the power of any number, it will be 1. It means y equals to constant, which cannot be equals to 0. Okay, as we know that curve B and D approaches to 0 at x equals to 0. So these are the wrong options. Now we have to check A and C. We can check the curve A and C by calculating the value at x approaches to minus infinity and x approaches to plus infinity. Let us check first of all at x approaches to minus infinity. Y equals to constant multiply e to the power minus infinity. As we know that e to the power minus infinity is 0. So y approaches to 0 at this point, and C curve also approaches to 0 as x approaches to minus infinity. So C is the correct answer, but we will also check at x equals to plus infinity. At x approaches to plus infinity, y equals to constant multiply e to the power plus infinity. As we know that e to the power plus infinity approaches to infinity, that implies y approaches to infinity at x approaches to plus infinity. But in curve A approaches to a constant value. A approaches to a constant value. This doesn't satisfy our condition, so A can't be the correct one. C is our right answer. Our next question is, a 2-digit number is such that if the digit 4 is placed to its right, its value would increase by 490. It means first of all we have to let 2-digit number. Okay, let 2-digit number equals to 10x plus y. It means y is at unit place and x is at tens place. Okay, now focus on this line. If the digit 4 is placed to its right, it means right side is this one. If xy was the original number, now 4 is placed here. Now it is become a 3-digit number. 4 is at unit place, y is at tens place, and x is at hundreds place. So this will be a new number, which is equal to original number 10x plus y plus 490. Now we will solve this equation. We will rearrange these numbers. 100x minus 10x plus 10y minus y equals to 490 minus 4. Now we get 90x plus 9y, which is equal to 486. Now we will take 9 common here. We will get 10x plus y equals to 9 multiply 54. It means 10x plus y equals to 54. This was our original number. It means 54 is the correct answer.